Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and clearing the workspace. This prevents shorts and lost parts. Remove the back plate screws using a tri-wing driver, then separate shells with a plastic pry tool. Gentle pressure avoids plastic stress. Once the halves begin to open, make sure to lift evenly. Do not yank. You'll see ribbon cables and a small battery. Keep them out of the way. Organize screws by size so reassembly is straightforward and you understand which screw goes where. Once the board is accessible, you remove the battery and unplug any ribbon cables to avoid tearing. Unscrew the PCB standoffs and lift the board from its clips. Go slow so connectors stay intact. Next, identify the R2 trigger module. Note where the spring sits and which direction the trigger arm points. Use tweezers to release the spring and slide out the trigger plunger. This exposes the micro switch and analog sensor that you'll either clean, repair, or now you reverse the steps. Fit the replacement R2 module or clean parts into the slot, reseat the spring, and make sure the trigger arm moves freely. Reattach the PCB and ribbon cables. A misaligned ribbon is the most common fault, so confirm connectors click. Close the shell and tighten screws evenly, don't over-torque. Power on and test the trigger in a menu or game. If it still fails, double-check ribbon seating and switch contact cleanliness. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.